DNA World India on its SmartWorld DNA streaming brings to you Smartech Education. Manage, to handle or direct with skill. When you dream to succeed, that dream wants to live. When you have a thought, that very thought begins to live. When you act to achieve, the very achievement is waiting for your moment. Build a roadmap for yourself that connects your dream with your thought and actions. The world is developing rapidly with the most complex systems and technology. A competitive world of living, sustaining, racing, peaking, building, spreading, multiplying, number crunching. In this world, allow yourself to participate in gaining knowledge that meets your future towards seeing yourself successful and achieving something remarkable. You need that edge to stay ahead. Smartech Education. Smartech Education guides you towards your success. Refine your knowledge and take up easy-to-follow courses. Digital marketing, website designing, Python, advanced Excel, spoken English, basic computer, tally, public speaking, and many more courses for you to pursue and learn about. Get the edge to transform your present and then achieve success. You get the perfect environment for learning, either online or offline. Smartech Education, founded with a vision to empower students and mentors to succeed. Smartech Education Private Limited, for its professional benchmarks, has earned an ISO 9001-2015 certification. You will be taught, personally guided, and trained by a dynamic and a highly skilled faculty for every course you pursue. At Smartech Education, our mission is to hone you with digital skills that aligns with the Digital India Campaign initiative. From job-oriented courses to all the way we create opportunities for internship, on-job training with experienced trainers, you get balanced theory and practical sessions, study materials, online and offline training flexibility of your time and schedule. Get the career counseling and also placement assistance. Your roadmap to success is clear, so get in touch with Smartech Education now. Log on to our website and start your countdown to success from today. Smartech Education. This profile is produced by DNA World India.